I'm a general contractor here in Morgantown. We do everything from the ground up, including the ground. I'm here because I had a total knee replacement. A lot of pain previous to it, constant pain, actually. And at this point now, it's gone. A couple weeks before surgery, they just have like well, it's a joint camp down here at Mon Health, and they basically go through everything in the process of how it's going to happen. I think it was a really good program to take away some of the fear or apprehension of having a total knee replacement. I was in here at, I think it was 6 in the morning, and the next thing I remember after I finally, when they took me in at 8, was waking up in the recovery room was somewhere around 2 o'clock. They checked me, they got me up and walking. I think about 2:30, 3 o'clock, they released me. My wife picked me up. Normally I'd be sitting here and my knee would just be aching. I would be moving it in every which direction to try to get rid of the pain, but it wouldn't. But I'm sitting here and no pain.